scientist. Now we're going to do one more experiment about Daniel Bernoulli's law, his principle that says if air is traveling fast, it makes the pressure low, and if air is traveling slow, it makes the pressure high. If these two things are true, then we should see something lift if we have the air traveling fast and slow. But to do that experiment, we need two helpers. Let's have a big round of applause for our helpers. You remember our helpers, William and Victoria. They're going to help us do a wonderful experiment that you can do at home. William, get the device of toilet paper. That's right. We're going to use toilet paper to do this experiment. All right. Now. Oh, dear. Look at that. Here's my hypothesis. My hypothesis is that if the air is traveling fast right over that toilet paper, it's going to make it spin. The paper should go right down to the ground. But if Daniel Bernoulli is right, then the fast air going over will cause the pressure to be lower, and the slow air down below will make the pressure to be higher, and the toilet paper should go which direction? That's right, up. Are we ready? Hold the toilet paper just right. Stand right there. Okay, let's see what happens. Are we ready? You ready? Let's all count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Give it a go. Did it work? Yes! You are amazing. Let's have a big round of applause for my 2 assistants today. Boys and girls, remember, it's always fun to experiment, to learn about nature, the natural world. That's called science. Have a great day, because today we saw that Daniel Bernoulli learned the principle that would make a baseball curve, a soccer ball bend, and an airplane fly. Everyone say bye-bye.